very much. Opioids are the most widely prescribed drugs for treatment of moderate to severe pain. There is nothing that is as effective as opioids for treatment of severe pain. However, they are plagued by serious side effects, including euphoria, which leads to abuse and addiction, withdrawal, constipation, and death from overdose. Phoenix PhamaLabs is a preclinical drug discovery company focused on the development of new, potent, safe, non-addicting painkillers. There's a lot of pain drugs out there, but none with this profile. Effective relief of severe pain with no addiction potential and no death from overdose. The opioid market is $30 billion. We have robust intellectual property. We have a deeply experienced team, including world-leading subject experts. And we just received an $8.7 million grant from the NIH and the National Institute on Drug Abuse. Opioid overdose deaths have been increasing every year. More than 100,000 Americans died from opioid overdose in 2021. But that is only part of the problem. Millions of Americans are addicted to opioids, and most of them, approximately 80%, initially became addicted after taking prescription opioids. I understand this problem well because my stepson is addicted to opioids, and he initially became addicted after being prescribed opioids for treatment of severe pain following an injury. Now he has been addicted for more than 20 years. And trust me, it is an absolutely devastating addiction. All of the leading opioids on the market today, like morphine, oxycodone, fentanyl, etc., as well as heroin, all bind to the mu receptor in the brain and then aggressively stimulate that receptor. So mu is great at producing pain relief, but it also produces euphoria that often leads to abuse and addiction. It also causes physical dependence and withdrawal, constipation, and respiratory depression that can lead to death from overdose. Our lead compound, PPL-138, has advanced through various preclinical studies, including a series of studies conducted in non-human primates, where it is clearly demonstrated that it has robust analgesic potency, more than 100 times the potency of morphine in relieving pain, long duration of action, more than 24 hours, which is important for treatment of chronic pain, no euphoric high, therefore no abuse and addiction potential, no respiratory depression whatsoever, thus making it a very, very safe drug. There's no physical dependence or withdrawal, and no constipation. We have a deeply experienced team. I'm the CEO, I'm the business guy. I've been launching early stage technology companies for more than 25 years. Dr. Larry Toll is our chief neuropharmacologist. He's a world leading expert in opioid receptors and is co-inventor of PPL-138. We have team leaders in key scientific areas and domain experts that we call upon as needed. Phoenix PhamaLabs has had discussions and due diligence with most of the leading pharma companies that have a strategic focus on pain or addiction therapy. Most said that they would be interested in doing a deal, either a license or an acquisition, during phase 1. However, we plan to continue to advance 138 through phase 1 trials and into phase 2 to proof of concept in order to position it for optimal deal terms. The average comps are shown here. But if PPL-138 performs in humans, as it has in animals, then we would expect much higher milestone payments, plus royalties in the 12 to 20% range. We are currently completing preclinical studies of 138. In about a year, it will enter phase 1, and by 2025, we expect to reach proof of concept and an out-license exit for investors. We are currently raising $3 million in a convertible note offering with attractive terms to supplement the $8.7 million grant we just received from NIDA to advance 138 through phase 1. This presents a unique opportunity for investors, 3-to-1 matching with non-dilutive funding. Thank you very much, and I look forward to meeting with you in the breakout room.